Hello, I'm Louise Hodges with GreenBugAllNatural.com. Today we're going to talk about making a pepper-based critter repellent for gardens. As far as the ingredients that I've got today, I've got some black pepper, some cayenne pepper. I'm also going to throw in some chili powder because the spicier the better. I've got a mortar and pestle that I'm going to grind the spices with and then put into the teapot so that I can actually make the concoction. And then afterwards I'm going to pour it into a plastic container, and any plastic spray bottle can work. So now I'm going to go ahead and start putting some of these ingredients in here. Got the black pepper, cayenne pepper. Once again, what we're trying to do is repel critters from the yard. That could be rabbits or squirrels, whatever. And so the spicier the better. So you can raid your herb cabinet and come up with all kinds of options. So once I put these in here, I'm going to grind it up to a fine powder and then put it in my teapot. And the reason that you want to make a tea out of this is twofold. The hot water is going to release the oils in the spices, which are going to be that much more offensive to the critters. And also, you want to make sure that you're not actually putting these directly into a spray bottle, because the spice directly in the spray bottle will clog the nozzle. I'm going to let this steep for probably about 5 minutes and then put it into my bottle. Okay, what I'm going to do is, now that this is steeped, is pour it through a tea strainer to make sure that I get all the different pieces cleared out of the liquid so that it won't clog my spray bottle. And so now I have this tea colored liquid that I'm going to pour into my spray bottle. Before you use it on anything, you want to make sure that it's cooled down completely. And you can use this on your plant material and it won't harm anything. You can also use it like around the edges of your garden in case you have like some fence posts around it, just along the edges, and it creates a barrier. And because it's all natural and organic and it doesn't have a residual to it, you will need to put this out pretty frequently. Like if it rains, you'll need to reapply. So now you know how to make a pepper-based critter repellent for gardens. I'm Louise Hodges with GreenBugAllNatural.com. Thank you very much for watching.